Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the Arya Kamavia campus. So starting our day with the name of Almighty Allah. I am your English teacher. So today our topic is introduction of T. T. What is the sound of this letter? T. T. Okay student. So before starting our work, we will read some vocab. So take out your workbooks. Okay student, I hope you all have taken out your workbooks. So take out page number 2. Yes, page number 2. Okay, so look here. Which letter is this? T. 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 Turtle. T. Turtle. T. Tiger. T. Tiger. T. Tomato. T. Tomato. Repeat with me. T. Turtle. T. Turtle. T. Tiger. T. Tiger. T. Tomato. T. Tomato. Okay students, you also have to read these vocabs very thoroughly with the help of your mother. Okay students? Okay student, now we will learn the formation of letter T. T. Student, repeat with me. T. Can you see these lines? How many lines are there? Yes, 4 lines. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. Okay, now line number 1 is upper line. Yes, this is called upper line. And these 2 lines are called center lines. Center means beach wali line, okay? So these 2 lines are called center lines. And this 4th line is called bottom line. What is this line called? Bottom line. Yes. Repeat with me. Upper line, center lines, bottom lines. Okay? These lines can help us to write sounds. Okay? So now we will learn the formation of letter T. Okay, now look very carefully. We will start our letter T from our upper line, from this line. Okay students, can you see dot over here? Very good. Okay, now look very carefully and repeat the formation with me. Go down, go down, turn a little and make a dash on the center like this. What it becomes? T. Starting from our upper line and we ended with our center line, which is 3rd line. Okay students, we haven't touched T with our 4th line. No, हमने 4 लाइन से टच नहीं किया. हमने T कितनी लाइन्स में बनाया है? 3 लाइन्स. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. You will start from here. You will go down, turn a little and put a dash. Okay? Repeat with me. Go down, turn a little and put a dash. Okay? And you have to put the dash on center of this line. Okay students? So what it becomes? T. T. Okay now students, take out your workbooks. Okay now students, first of all take out page number 4. 4. Okay now students, look here. Which letter is this? T. So we will take out our pencils and we will sharp very nicely so that we can do our work very neat and nicely. Okay, so I'm tracing. Look here. Starting from here, go down, turn a little and put a dash. What it becomes? T. Go down, turn a little and put a dash. What it becomes? T. Okay, students, so you have to complete these two tracing. Okay, now come here. Can you see pictures over here? Very good. So which picture is this? Turtle. Turtle. So what I will do now, I will do freehand writing. So I'll start from here. From this dot, can you see the dot? Very good. Okay, now I'll go down, turn a little and put a dash. What it becomes? T. Go down, turn a little and put a dash. What it becomes? T. So students, do you all remember that you have group B has done this work, but group A haven't done this work. So group A will do this work as well and notebook work as well. Okay, students? Okay, now take out notebooks. Okay, students, so I hope you all have taken out your notebooks. So over here, with the help of your mother will write trace and recognize sound T. You will mention classwork over here. You will make a big bubble T so that you can trace nicely. Okay, and over here teacher has drawn 2 lines and written T. Okay, and mothers, please make this page like this so that your child can do his or her work very neat and nicely. Okay, student? So teacher has drawn tomato. Yes, tomato. Tomato. You can make turtle. You can make top. Yes, top. And anything starting from sound T. Okay, student, now look here. What you will do, you will trace this T very neat and nicely, like this. T. First of all, you will trace this T, then you will do this work. Okay? You will trace this T. Now, go down, turn a little and put a dash. What it becomes? T. Look, we have touched the upper line and the center line. We haven't touched the bottom line. Okay, so be very careful. So students, you have to do this work very neat and nicely. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.